Mm. So I went out for a smoke and a tea, and I came in. Head kinda heavy today. Uh, so I worked on art material today, and before this I used to upload it on X. And, uh, so this is a goddess. Hmm. It's a goddess. What's her name? Hira. Hira goddess. So I keep on practicing, Baba. Very rough, very raw I made. If I have to make any good art material, then I would have made a good one. What do you call it? A professional thing, then it's a different thing. ये एकदम रॉ. So मास्टरपीस बनाने का तो उसके लिए वो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. If I have to make any masterpiece, I know that I work with pen, not with pencil. Pencil I do the whatever basic form first, then so I feel kind of peace today. Head is heavy, but I feel peaceful today because people are understanding me now. People must have understood me that what my thing is. My thing is no fighting, no this ruckus, this fight and all and all. Who wants that? Who wants that stuff? Fight and all. Unnecessary unknown people. So in Bombay also, unknown people were accusing me of something which I don't know. So that's what the thing was. तो ये करने वाले ने किया है यार, मजबूत लेवल पे किया है, मजबूत लेवल पे किया है. किस चीज़ का दुश्मनी निकाला है 12 साल से समझ में नहीं आ रहा. इट्स अ क्लियर केस ऑफ जेलसी. द लाइफ विच आई हैव, द लाइफ विच आई लिव. मेरे ही ऊपर ही नहीं, मेरे भाई के ऊपर भी ऐसा ही था. माई सिस्टर्स ऑल्सो. Always there is a competition. Competing for what? The guy says you are much better than me, still you are competing. Still you want to put me down. Why? The guy itself says you are better. Go. Live your life. You are the star. I am star in my own eyes. मेरे को बस हो गया उतना. बस. Today what happened? My brother was listening music. I told him, you come here. He said, what? I want to do a, what do you call it? Acting. See, if Shah Rukh Khan gets shot, what happens? How he dies? No, I didn't tell him that Shah Rukh Khan and all this. I thought of like he was damn serious. Let me see what he does. So in the beginning I told that the character is supposed to die. A girl shoots him. She plays the drama and she tricks him and she shoots him. So he was like, okay, let me see how the character dies. So I showed him. I showed the exact way I am. The guy from the What's Up with Dave, Rocky. That's the way I am. I live. That's the character I am. From years before the 2014 also I was the same guy. 2006 till 2008 I got a little dark. Dark in the sense drowned. 2014 I got dark. 15-16 got quiet. And after that, after Father Joe healed me, then I was living mast. So today only also I heard people have lived in so high profile areas but they didn't do anything of their life, and I was living in the West. I left the house, I did so many things. At the age of what do you call it? When I left the house, I might be 18, 19 years old, somewhere over there. I used to make films from pencil and papers at that age. So filmmaking is not a what do you call it? I was the director, everything. I used to make from pencil and papers. That's called 2D, two-dimensional art material. 2D. So, and scammers are like the one who is what do you call it? They don't even know what light bulbs must be, what the line testing machine must be, what peg bar is called, how to what do you call it? How to create animated movies. They know nothing. They only know stealing. Yeah. Put in a test. The one who did the animation, put him into a test. I'll, they'll get fucked very badly. The curriculum which I had, it was from the what do you call it? The top class professor, Bapadita Banerjee. So the acting thing. So I showed him how I act. So how I did. So he was kind of laughing. Laughing in the sense, I told him it's a funny way that the guy is dying. So he laughed. That means the act worked. That's what it's supposed to be. So he was kind of laughing. Shah Rukh Khan got shot and how he's supposed to die. So nothing else, nothing there regarding the case. Head heavy, but feeling happy. So after giving details of 2D animation that while I was in institute, 18, 19 years old, someone want to throw a splash of water. Put that water splasher into a test now. Now, ASAP. The one who steals data. ASAP, put him. You cannot do it. You don't know what I have used, the technique. चोर की औकात में रहे तो बेटर है. चोर अपनी चोर की औकात में रहे तो उसके लिए बहुत बेटर है वो. So the Shah Rukh Khan thing is the funny thing. Don't bully anyone. It's just a fun. एक ही तो मस्ती है यार, एक ही तो मस्ती करता हूँ और क्या है. एक ही तो है अभी, एक ही तो मजाक के सहारे मेरे को जिंदगी निकालने का अभी. तो थोड़ी सी तो मस्ती मतलब I kind of feel little fun. So मजाक मस्ती वाला लड़का है. ऐसा किसी को बुरा नहीं मानना होता है या कुछ. Anyways, my brother was laughing on that acting. That means the act worked. It was a funny act. So he was kind of laughing. So some animator put him on the test. Put that fucker on the test immediately. The one who stole the animated data. Now 24/7. Let him sit on the light box. Within what do you call it? ASAP. मैंने नींद से उठा के भी बोला ना करके दिखा, मैं करके दिखाएगा. बिठाओ उसको टेस्ट पे, बहन चोत को, चोर को, लवड़े को, झाटू बिठाओ उसको लाइट बॉक्स पे. बिठा अभी ताबड़ दो मादर चोत को. मैं लाइट बॉक्स खुद बना के, लाइन टेस्टिंग मशीन भी खुद बना के मैं बना के दिखाएगा. उसकी माँ चोदेगा मैं. बिठा बहन चोत को बिठा. अभी उसके लिए लाइट बॉक्स में मैं खरीदूंगा, लाइन टेस्टिंग मशीन में खरीदूंगा. करके दिखा मादर चोत जो उसमें की है. हमें पेपर चोरी करते हैं मादर चौथ साले। हमें अब भी ऑन द स्पॉट मेरे को लाइट बॉक्स और लाइन टेस्टिंग मशीन की ज़रूरत नहीं, मेरे को मालूम है क्या करना है। लाइट बॉक्स और लाइन टेस्टिंग मशीन में मैं किधर भी क्रिएट कर सकता है, इतना दिमाग है मेरे पास। बेटा वो भेंचोद को इतनी महंगी चीज़ दिला के दो और करने को बोलो उसको झाटू को जिसने पेपर चोरी किया है, माँ छूट जाएगी उसकी।